Heya! I'm Layla, a professional game designer. Today, I decided to touch some grass outside of my studio to talk about how to make people care about your games. Making cool mechanics for your game is important. If the game doesn't feel good to play, people will stop playing. But what is just as important is a good story and strong characters. If the story is flat and uninteresting, players will lose motivation and drop the game. Today, I'll talk about how to avoid that. I talked about character design a bit in my previous video, but what I haven't mentioned is how important their personality and soul are. A character can have a cool design, but what they feel and what they go through is a huge part of the experience. A happy character is great, but they still need a spark, a different side to them. This is where Ren comes in. I mentioned my character Leilu before and how excited she's about the world, but sometimes we need more depth than that. Ren is an awkward and quiet guy most of the time, and only his sister Yuna knows how kind and sweet he really is. They only have each other to survive in a cruel world that tries to take everything from them. Take a closer look at Ren. You can clearly tell something bad has happened to him. You can feel the power that's literally killing him from the inside, but he still fights back. The power is a great evil that possessed him, and now he's almost unable to control his own hands. What a recipe for disaster. I can't reveal too much just yet, since Ren is being designed for a bigger project of mine. Just remember, to create a truly interesting character, you need that spark to catch people's attention. In order to make cool games, you have to play cool games. You will feel much more inspired by other stories that leave a lasting impact on you. And the more you play, the more unique your own story will be. For example, look at games like Final Fantasy VII and Alan Wake 2. They're very different from each other, but both are incredibly good. Trying to design a game without playing them is like baking a pie without knowing what a pie looks like. You first need to look at the pie, taste it, and analyze its ingredients in order to make your own original recipe. While creating a detailed character with a deep personality and a creative world around them is crucial, you always need to do a reality check so you don't get lost in the sauce. Otherwise, you might spend months designing a character while totally forgetting their main purpose, being in a video game. Balance your narrative ideas with the actual game you're planning to make so that both your characters and your mechanics fit together perfectly to create something beautiful in the end. I hope these tips help you think more about how to make players care about your characters and creative worlds. Just remember to stay focused on your real goals. If you want to find out more about my games in the future, feel free to subscribe. By the way, if you liked my new background, share your thoughts in the comments. Maybe I'll start making videos in different locations. Thanks for watching and have a great time spreading your creativity. See ya!